Hey, what is up, Slime Nation, Slime Pack Nation, Pack Nation? Whichever category y'all want to fit in, listen. I have a giveaway going on, but before I get into this giveaway, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, drop a green emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the information for this giveaway. There are, I think, 3 simple rules to get entered into the giveaway. Let me rewind back because I'm getting ahead of myself. So the giveaway will be a GoPro Hero 9. Listen, y'all. I really got the camera for myself. I didn't open it. I just kept reading reviews on it. I love it. I love the camera. If you are a YouTuber, I advise you to get you a GoPro, or even a starting out YouTuber. You do not have to have one, but it is great to have one. I never really got a GoPro because it didn't have a front facing screen, and I love to see how I look while I'm recording. But with this one, you have a front facing and also a back screen, and also it's touch screen. And the most important thing, y'all, the quality. The quality of it is amazing. It don't just record in 1080. It don't just record in 4K. It also records in 5K. So I'm getting ready to post up a clip so y'all can see the actual camera yourselves. You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to scapack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask. And also, I'm going to be picking 2 other people of my choice. Now, that first giveaway is going to be, your name will be in a database, scrambled up, and it will be automatically picked. For the next 2 giveaways, I will be picking 2 people of my choice to give away some free merch. The first person, I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts of your choices, and the second person, I'll give away 2 t-shirts of your choices, and I have it sent to you. And whenever y'all receive the merch, make sure y'all send it to slimepack_392 on Instagram, and I will tag and repost y'all, and I might use y'all for some promo. If you can scroll down on my Instagram, you'll see I already posted 2 people. So yeah, I need more people to post. I need more people to tag with my merch on. So be sure whenever you get it, take a picture of it. Your face don't have to be in it, but I would prefer your face to be in it. You know, tag me in it and I will definitely repost. Oh, and last thing, I will be running this giveaway for 30 days. Today is August the 8th. This video will be dropping on August the 11th, which is a Wednesday. So 30 days from that date, I will be picking the winner. So you know that's going to be next month. So I don't want to hear nobody say, I didn't get paid. Some people get paid weekly. Some people get paid, you know, every 2 weeks. Some people get paid every month. Listen, you got time to get some merch, to get into this giveaway. And also, if you don't care about the camera and you win it, you can sell it and flip it and make you some money. Like, come on. And also, if you don't want to do either of those, give it away to somebody yourself. There's a lot of people that use an excuse not to do YouTube because they don't have a camera, which if you have a phone, any of these phones, these newer phones that's out now, records in great quality, not just an iPhone. There's some Androids out there with great cameras, and there's no excuse. But if you want a chance to win this camera, y'all, I'm telling you, I love this camera. It is a GoPro Hero 9. Make sure y'all enter into this giveaway. It's going to be running for 30 days. Once again, it's going to be running for 30 days. And the database will pick somebody, and I will contact you by email. And I will ship out the camera to you as soon as possible. Look at my car, y'all. It is dirty. But I'm about to give y'all this cold start because I haven't cranked the car up in over 24 hours. I finally had a night off after working 6 12s back to back. So let's get into this cold start. Y'all can see, hold on. Gotta pay to play. Gotta pay to play. Gas right now is focusing 374. You know, with the 5 cent off from the Shell account, 369.